Strawberry Boo, and I haven't purchased from her in a while, and there's no reason for it. Silly excuse is that she fell off my feed on Instagram, so I know a lot of indie people go on break, so because I didn't see her on my feed, I thought she might have gone on break, and so I didn't really go to her page and look. And then the other day, I looked on her page, and I'm like, wait! So I placed an order. So, oh, how cute! I think these are little Valentine's Day stickers. So cute. Thank you very much. This box smells amazing, by the way. So, let me come back to you with all of this unpackaged. But you do see it's packaged well. All right, I am back. And I had no idea these bath bombs were this massive. This is the first one that I ordered. There's no label on it, so I forgot the name of it. But it smells amazing. Yeah, I don't even have an invoice, so I'm kind of caught unaware. All right, but this is a beautiful bath bomb. Look how pretty it is. It's huge. This one is called Rose Milk Bath Bomb, and it's in the shape of a skull. Also pretty big. Oh, this smells so good. And then she sent a little freebie. Looks like a piece of soap, and there is a label on there. It's called Valentina. Oh, shimmer everywhere. This smells really nice. I love little soaps. I might start using this one tonight. But these are the bath bombs that I received. Again, I don't have the invoice, so I don't know the pricing of them. And this one, I just don't know the name of it because there's no label. But it's a beautiful white rose. And I'm not sure if it's a fully white bath bomb, but we shall see when I use it. I might actually use it tonight because I think it's really pretty. And that's it for Strawberry Boo. So I'm back with the second unboxing, and this is from Suzie's Bubbles, and she put on the box. Hi, Ingrid. The box is kind of big, so I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh yeah, I did order some bubble bars that at the end of my ordering. So I ordered just a few things, and then I saw how wonderful her bubbles were, so I went back and I ordered some more stuff. So that's probably what this is. Look at this strawberry milkshake body lotion spray though. Oh my gosh, I do love me some strawberry. I cannot wait to try this. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think that was actually a free gift because I didn't order it, and she did say she made me something special. All right, so jeez. So I had no idea this thing was this huge. This is the Fairy Queen Bubble Bath Bomb. So she told me that all of her bath bombs actually do make bubbles. And I just found that out this morning. Look at the shimmer on this. This was not, as it says here, $14. It was on sale. I think it was like $7 or something. Like an excellent deal because this thing is massive. I had no idea it was this big. All right, let me put this one to the side. Next we have, let me open it up. I'll be back. So I decided to stop wasting your time and just open everything. So this was the one that I had in my hand at the time. It's a Sweet Life Lollipop Bubble Bar. I believe this was like $6. Then we had another bubble bar, which I think was like $5 or $6. This is a Make-A-Wish star. And I really do believe in her bubbles, which is why I actually ordered bubble bars, because I normally don't from indie companies. I usually go straight to Lush for bubble bars. And this is Color Me Happy. And it is so cute. All right, a little waffle bomb. Then I had to get this white chocolate raspberry bath espresso, just because it's freaking cute. And it's going to make, look at that. Is that bubble stuff? So I get more bubble stuff. Yay. And then this is a thank you. It's whipped body butter. Yes. It's winter time. It's high season for body butter. The last item that I have is Country Apple Body Wash and Bubble Bath. I believe this was $7.95 or something like it. Definitely was $7 something. But I wanted to just try all of her bubble stuff. So here we have the Country Apple Body Wash and Bubble Bath. We have the free gift, which is the whipped body butter. We have the waffle bomb called Color Me Happy. Bathtub shake with colorful embeds. Then we had the 2 bubble bars. This one was Make-A-Wish. This next one, very cute, is Life's, I'm sorry, It's a Sweet Life. We had this massive, massive bath bomb called the Fairy Queen. And then finally, something she made special, she said for me, Strawberry Milkshake Body Lotion Spray. Yes. All right, guys, that's it for Suzie's Bubbles. Thank you so much. You are way too generous in size, price, and gifting. All right, I'll talk to you guys on the next one.